Description: sulfate-free, without SLS, SLES, ALS, shampoo for chemically treated hair repairs and helps brighten blonde hair with KerActive protein. Benefits: color safe, sulfate-free, paraben-free, gluten-free. Suggested use: massage into wet hair. Rinse. Repeat as needed. Follow with Forever Blonde Conditioner. Paul Mitchell Forever Blonde Shampoo. 1. Gently cleanse lightened and highlighted hair with this sulfate-free, without SLS, SLES, ALS, shampoo. Paul Mitchell Forever Blonde Conditioner. 2. Follow with this keratin conditioner to deeply hydrate and detangle while helping to repair damage. Paul Mitchell Forever Blonde Dramatic Repair. 3. Generously mist onto damp hair, from ends to roots, to strengthen and seal the cuticle. Top reviews from the United States. Love. Love that my hair is healthy and shiny even though I use this combo 3 to 4 times a week. It keeps the brass color out of my hair all the way until my next appt. Always get compliments.